Saddiq acquitted of all charges by Court of Appeal. Putrajaya, 25th of June, 2025. In a stunning legal and political turnaround, the Court of Appeal has unanimously acquitted Muar MP and former Youth and Sports Minister Syed Abdul Rahman of all 4 corruption-related charges. The decision, delivered this morning at the Palace of Justice, brings an end to a 5-year legal saga that had threatened not only his personal freedom, but also the viability of his political party, MUDA. The 3-judge panel, led by Justice Ahmad Zaidi Ibrahim and comprising Justices Azman Abdullah and Noorin Badaruddin, found that the High Court had seriously erred in its initial judgment. The appellate bench ruled that Syed Saddiq's conviction had been improperly reached, particularly due to the lower court's failure to give due weight to the defense's evidence and to its reliance on questionable witness testimony, some of which had been obtained under duress during investigations by the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission. Syed Saddiq had originally been convicted on the 9th of November 2023 on 4 charges: criminal breach of trust involving Rm 1 million, misappropriation of Rm 120,000 in political donations, and 2 counts of money laundering amounting to Rm 100,000. The High Court sentenced him to 7 years in prison, a Rm 10 million fine, and 2 strokes of the cane. That conviction has now been fully overturned. The Court of Appeal made it clear that there was no conclusive evidence of dishonesty in Saddiq's instructions regarding the withdrawal and use of funds from MUDA, the youth wing of Parti Pribumi Bersatu Malaysia. In fact, the court noted that the money had been transparently used for COVID-19 aid, Ramadan expenses, and election-related activities. The defense also successfully argued that certain prosecution witnesses had been coerced during the investigation process, and that their statements could not be relied upon. Upon hearing the verdict, Syed Saddiq was visibly emotional. Flanked by his family, supporters, and MUDA leaders, he expressed gratitude to the judiciary for what he described as a restoration of faith in justice. He reiterated that he had maintained his innocence throughout and thanked Malaysians who had supported him since his first day in politics. Outside the courtroom, dozens of supporters, including public figures like Datuk Seri Mukhriz Mahathir and singer-actress Bella Astilla, were seen celebrating the outcome. While the Attorney General's chambers has not yet indicated whether it will pursue an appeal to the federal court, today's decision represents a decisive legal victory for the 32-year-old politician. It also breathes new life into MUDA, the youth-focused political party he founded, which had been plagued by questions about its future leadership and direction amid his legal troubles. With the charges dropped, Syed Saddiq now resumes his role as MP for Muar without legal encumbrance. He is expected to play a more assertive role in Parliament and is likely to influence MUDA's internal restructuring as the party approaches its leadership elections scheduled later this year.